Welcome to AloeMD, True Cellular Therapy. Did you know 1 in every 4 suffer with pain? That's 25%, or 76.2 million Americans have suffered from pain lasting longer than 24 hours. We are going to talk a little bit about pain, of yesterday, of pain today, and of pain in the future. Yesterday. Early Greeks and Romans advanced the idea that the brain played a role in producing the perception of pain. In the 19th century, physician-scientists discovered that opiates, such as morphine, could relieve pain, and chemist Felix Hoffmann developed aspirin from a substance in willow bark. Aspirin today remains the most commonly used pain reliever. The French physician Dr. Albert Schweitzer proclaimed in 1931 that pain is a more terrible lord of mankind than even death itself. And in 1994, the International Association for the Study of Pain defined pain as an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage. Pain today. Pain affects more Americans than diabetes, heart disease, and cancer combined. Pain is cited as the most common reason Americans access the healthcare system. It's a leading cause of disability, and it is a major contributor to healthcare costs. Chronic pain is the most common cause of long-term disability. COX-2 is a major contributor to pain associated with inflammation. Inflammation is the #1 cause of pain and disease in the United States. Pain in the future. AloeVeritas AloeMD is poised to produce discoveries that will improve health outcomes for individuals experiencing acute or chronic pain by providing a natural, time-tested, proprietary formula combined with a smart technology delivery system to improve pain relief without the harmful side effects of toxic chemicals such as opioids, steroids, and NSAIDs. This is accomplished through combining basic old world remedies with new laboratory science that instantly helps relieve pain, as well as provide long-term cellular therapy support for extended relief and prevention. AloeVeritas promises also to provide strategic support for the research community to discover more effective pain and whole body wellness treatment strategies in the future. Our bodies. Our bodies want to repair. It's automatic and you can't stop it. Our cells are replicating at phenomenal speeds. Our bodies are composed of around 100 trillion cells. We make 1 billion cells every hour, 24 billion cells every day, and this goes on 24/7, 365 days a year. The body makes a new liver every 6 weeks, a new stomach lining every 5 days, new skin every 30 days, a new skeleton every 3 months, new red blood cells every 120 days. And we take in new atoms with every breath, every mouthful we eat or drink, and everything we absorb through our skin. We breathe around 20,000 times every day, and we breathe out the same number of atoms that we take in with each breath. Our bodies are continually changing and replacing the material that composes them. You don't have the same body that you had when you first logged on to this presentation. Each cell has a blueprint for the whole organism, the form and function that each new cell will have. This is determined by an intelligence that is working backstage behind the physical cells. This is called innate intelligence. Innate intelligence is the real doctor. Only our bodies can heal, and they are continually doing it every day. And no human can do what the body does on an ongoing basis. The body is miraculous. Help it do what it does the best. Your body repairs itself. The body has a remarkable way of repairing itself. You don't even have to think about cells replacing or molecules carrying away all of the leftover cellular material because the body's natural repair process is automatic. It happens without you ever having to do anything. You won't even be aware that it's happening, and the mechanisms that repair are working constantly to maintain your optimal well-being. The body's repair process usually happens while you're sleeping. Your body is an incredibly powerful and efficient self-repairing organism. Even if you tried, you couldn't stop your body from automatically and innately trying to repair itself. There's simply no stopping your body from the amazing mechanisms that keep you moving and living your best life. The unbelievably complex microscopic systems and processes that allow your immune system to heal and repair are far more intricate than even the most advanced supercomputers. How you sense the world is even beyond what the most well-funded laboratories in the world have been able to artificially produce. And your sense of smell is so complex that we've never even come close to a machine that can replicate it. Your reproductive system, it actually creates a life. If you believe in God and creation, then you already understand that you were created in His own image and you were designed to be a perfect, healing being. If you believe in evolution and Darwinism, then you know and understand that your body is the result of millions of years of evolution that has resulted in a remarkable DNA blueprint and a natural restorative mechanism that prevents sickness and disease. No matter what you believe, your body has the amazing ability to self-repair. The good news is that this self-repairing mechanism is already in you, and all you ever have to do is just stand back and let it happen. You'll be astonished by how quickly your life can change by simply allowing your body to do what it does the best. I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Joseph McWhorter. He's the creator and the genius behind the AloeMD patent. He is the lead on our scientific advisory team at AloeVeritas, and he developed AloeMD with 15 years of research and clinical trials. He's an OB/GYN specializing in women's health and cancer awareness. He uses AloeMD in his practice to boost breast health. AloeMD features: it's a patented, unique formulation. It contains pharmaceutical-grade botanicals. It's physician-created, tested, and approved. It has clinically proven results. And it is a cellular matrix stabilizer. What is the cellular matrix? The cellular matrix is the nurturing glue surrounding every cell in your body. It controls cell metabolism, biological activity, as well as waste removal. It defends the body against infection, holds body fluids, supports and binds tissues together. It confines the cells and prevents them from dividing abnormally. And it's also the staging area for chronic biologic inflammation. AloeMD benefits: it's a smart technology, and it targets inflammation around the cellular matrix. It helps provide cellular regeneration support, and it boosts the protective matrix layer. It helps instantly reduce pain without toxins, and it contains powerful 100% natural active botanical ingredients. It helps the doctor within defend and strengthen, and encourages natural intelligence. It's true cellular therapy, allowing the body to restore itself. AloeMD outperforms the competition, and it does it from the outside in, where it doesn't have to compete for absorption with stomach acids and other medications that might interfere with efficacy. AloeMD versus steroids. AloeMD was proven 86% as effective as potent pharmaceutical steroids. And it was proven 154% effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs. AloeMD is a matrix stabilization. It contains no steroids. It's proven effective. It's clinically tested, and it's a unique, patented formula. It's nature's physician. It helps with your doctor within, and it's Mother Nature approved. With AloeMD, the doctor is within. AloeVeritas's patented AloeMD formula goes beyond relief to create therapeutic biochemical reactions that utilize cellular division, ultimately encouraging the natural intelligence of the body to restore itself. Today's challenge: chronic inflammation, pain, and free radical damage. AloeVeritas has identified environmental influences affecting health at the genetic level, resulting in poor skin and body condition, discomfort, and sluggish repair and replacement of healthy cells. The solution? AloeVeritas AloeMD. It's a patented, true aloe-based, tissue-compatible formulation composed of natural anti-inflammatory botanicals integrated with smart delivery technology that transports potent actives where needed most, providing intense relief, supporting cell regeneration, and advancing continual repair. It's 100% natural, clinically proven, and it helps defend and strengthen the protective barrier around the cells, preventing interruption of healthy growth. It reduces pain quickly and effectively. It diminishes the negative side effects of distressed DNA. It optimizes the body's own ability to reinforce health using your innate doctor within. It prevents chronic inflammation. It decreases free radical damage. It promotes long-term healthy cellular function. It absorbs and penetrates where needed most through smart delivery technology, and it improves quality of life. With AloeMD, we say yes to safe ingredients and no to steroids, NSAIDs, and opioids. AloeMD, true cellular therapy.